Okay, so taking a look at this, we want to find the perimeter of the window, round your answer to the nearest tenth. Now, because this is a semicircle, we have a formula to find the perimeter of a semicircle. That is, perimeter is equal to the circumference of the circle divided by 2 plus the diameter. Now, we'll take a look at each of these pieces individually, okay, to make sure we understand where they're coming from. We have that the circumference is equal to pi times diameter. Okay, so when we're looking at this, we have our diameter is going to be equal to 4 feet. So we have circumference is equal to pi times by 4. Now, we can approximate this by using 3.14 for pi. So 3.14 times by 4 will give us a pretty good estimate of what our circumference is going to be. So we're going to grab our calculator. We're going to take 3.14. We're going to times that by 4. We're going to end up at 12.56. So we have 12.56 for the circumference of the circle. Okay. Now, when we're looking at this, we need to understand that the circumference of the circle, okay, is a full circle. Okay. So if we were to have a full circle here, and this is a bad circle, okay, but serves our purposes. We found the circumference, or all the way around that whole purple area here. We don't need that whole purple area. All we need is just this curved piece up here. So because we only need this curved piece right here, we only need half of the circumference. So we'll take our circumference and we'll divide it by 2. So we'll take 12.56 and we'll divide this by 2 in order to find just this blue piece up here. So when we do this, we're going to take our calculator, we're going to take this 12.56, and we're going to end up dividing this by 2. It's going to give us 6.28 for this blue piece, just this curved piece right here. Now, when we're trying to find the perimeter of this, we need to be able to close out our shape, because our shape has a perimeter if we have all of the sides included, right? We're going to add up all the sides together. So this curved blue piece is only just part of it. We have to also include the diameter again, right? Which is this piece down here. So to get all the way around the shape, we have to do this blue piece and then this green piece. So what we're going to do is we're going to add 4 to this, and we're going to end up at 10.28. Now, once we've done that, we see that it says we want to round to the nearest tenth. Because we want to round to the nearest tenth, what we're going to do is look at the tenths place and then look at the hundredths place to see what we need to do. So since the hundredths place is an 8, we're going to end up at 10.3 for our answer. Okay, let's go ahead and check that to make sure we got it right. We have 10.3, and we are good.